Hello! Guys, welcome to TechFix. Today we have a case in which we receive Redmi Note 10 5 grams that suddenly got dead. Judging by the charging amperes, we can assume that this issue is caused due by the loosening in the CPU. So let's go ahead and take off the motherboard. Now, as we have taken off the motherboard, it is time to cut off the metal shield of the CPU. Now it is time to take off the CPU and reball it. Now, as we have taken out the CPU, it's time to clean off the pads of the motherboard. Now, as we have cleaned the motherboard pads, it is time to clean off the CPU pads. Now we have cleaned the CPU pads, so now we gonna reball the CPU. So as you guys can see that we have reballed the CPU now, so now it is time to put it back into the motherboard. it's time to put the motherboard back onto the phone and see if we have any signs of life. And as you can see, we have battery logo, which indicates the phone's battery is low, and the phone can be turned on once fully charged.